how to fix your mic not working in Discord. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your mic if it's not working in Discord. Stick around till the end so you don't miss the reset step. Let's get started. First off, make sure you're not just muted in Discord. In the bottom left, check your mic icon. It should say mute if your mic is active. If it says unmute, click it to unmute yourself. Next, click the gear icon next to it to open user settings. Scroll down to app settings. Tap on voice and video. Under input device, make sure your actual microphone is selected. Sometimes Discord picks the wrong one automatically. Also, try raising the input volume to make sure you're being picked up clearly. Right below that, there's a mic test button. Click it to check if Discord is picking up your voice at all. If it's working here, great, you're halfway there. If it's still not working, double check your physical microphone. Some mics have a mute switch on them, make sure that's turned off. Back in Discord, make sure your input mode is set to voice activity. Try turning on automatically determine input sensitivity if it's not already. Scroll down a bit and try turning off noise suppression. In some cases, that can interfere with your mic. You can also try disabling advanced voice activity and see if that helps. Still no luck? Try doing a full reset of your voice settings. Scroll all the way up and open the debugging section. Here, click on Reset Voice Settings. Hit OK and Discord will restart. Hopefully one of those steps did the trick. If it helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech fixes. Thanks for watching.